Hello everyone, I am Amarjeet from Amar PTE classes. Again, I am in front of you with my new video. I hope you all are liking my videos. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet, and don't forget to like and share these videos. In today's video, I am going to discuss some important tips for speaking. Mostly students hesitate while speaking, but in PTE speaking is different. You have to speak in front of computer without interference of human being. Only you and computer will check your exam. Remember this point also. In PTE speaking is easy because there is no rule of grammar in speaking, so no need to hesitate and fumble. You can cover up your hesitation and fumbling during practice. Do practice and appear in section test and mock test as much as you can to cover up your fear of speaking. Because if there is an expression of fear in your sound during speaking, then AI will catch it. Due to fear, you can muddle the words and it can impact your score of speaking as well as PTE overall score. So I want to tell you that remain confident so that fear or nervousness should not affect your performance. Remember this point. Now, in PTE, your speaking evaluates on three factors. Number one is fluency, number two is pronunciation, and number three is content. You have total 5 modules in speaking, and first 4 modules are based on fluency, pronunciation, and content. There is no rule of grammar in first 4 modules and in the last module of the speaking at all. Now, let's talk about fluency. Mostly students are confused with the word fluency. Fluency is not how fast you can speak in English. It means speak English not too fast, not too slow. It is good if you can speak fluently, but all students are not same. Some are good and some are not. So if you can speak at moderate pace, then it's good, but speak. Don't stop in between the lines. Speak at constant speed throughout the speaking. Slow down your pitch at the punctuation marks. Give stress on the words as the speaker gives. Always speak more than 27 seconds and less than 35 seconds in describe, image and retell lecture. Don't even try to correct your mistakes. Remember this. Most important point is that mostly students use template in describe, image and retell lecture. In that case, due to shortage of time, because they try to cover up 100% content and they muddle the words. Practice the template in such a way that time does not exceed more than 35 seconds or less than 27 seconds. Speak at moderate pace. If you want to improve your fluency, then always speak at a moderate pace. Next important point in speaking is pronunciation. Pronunciation means pronounce every word clearly so that computer can understand it. Every student has a different pronunciation style and it's not a issue. Use your own style of pronunciation. Don't try to copy the accent of the speaker. If you are excellent in speaking, then you can try to copy the accent. Tip is that if in case of repeat sentence you didn't hear anything, then you can try to copy the accent of the speaker because it's the only option you have. Speak clearly and loudly to get good score in pronunciation. Loudly in the sense that computer can pick up your voice not get scattered. Remember this. Every person have a different pronunciation style. Use your own style and speak in your natural tone but clearly. You will definitely get good score in pronunciation and in speaking also. Now in the end, let's talk about content. Yes, content is also important, but in which modules? Let's start. In read aloud, it's important and you can easily cover up the 100% content in read aloud because you have to read the paragraph given on the screen in your voice. Only skip those words in which you are facing difficulty of pronunciation. It's better to skip those words in which you are facing difficulty rather than pronounce them wrongly because it will impact your fluency. Next module is repeat sentence. In repeat sentence, content is of 3 points and if you skip 2 3 words you will get 3 points. If in the content, but repeat the sentence clearly, fluently, in the same way as the audio without changing the sequence of words. Third module is describe image. In describe image, you can face two types of difficulties in content as I faced. First is no content in image and second is a lot of content. So in case of no content, repeat the keywords, and in case of a lot of content, don't try to cover up the 100% content. Manage time between 28 seconds to 33 seconds. And in last, retail lecture. In retail lecture, you can't cover up the 100% content because audio is of 30 to 90 seconds. Then how you can cover up 19 seconds audio in 30 seconds? But in that 30 seconds, speak fluently and clearly. Don't stop in between the lines. Complete your lines. Don't try to correct your mistakes. If you made mistake, even in that case, don't fumble, just keep going. After finishing one question, just click the next button. Don't wait for computer to do this. Don't leave your response empty. Just speak. Speak anything if you don't know the answer, but speak. Now, I hope these tips will help you to improve your speaking score. For the full course of PTE and more tips and tricks, follow my channel. For online and offline classes, contact us on the given number. Put your queries in the comment box. In the end, don't forget to like and share these videos. Thank you.